Welcome back. I'm Nina, your guide through the cosmic currents of the commodity market. Today, we are diving into the aromatic world of small cardamom, where prices are spicing up and arrivals are taking a slide deep. Small cardamom, known for its potent aroma and culinary allure, is making waves in the market once again. Prices are on the rise, fueled by a surge in demand from our trusty stockists. In the bustling bazaars, the past 5 to 6 sessions have been a rollercoaster of fluctuations, with prices dancing within a wider range, all thanks to this heightened demand. And guess what, folks? North India is stepping up to the plate, adding to the stability of these aromatic delights. Let's talk numbers. The average price per kilogram is playing hopscotch, ranging from 1,652 rupees to 1,732. That's a leap from the previous session's average, which rested comfortably between 1,640 rupees to 1,655 per kilogram. And hold on to your hats, because the highest reported price hit a whopping 2,702 rupees per kilogram, a significant jump from the previous session's 2,322 rupees per kilogram. Talk about a spicy surge. But wait, there's more. Arrivals are taking a slide deep, totaling 108,031 kg in this session, down from the previous session's 114,904 kg. Offtake, on the other hand, stood at 106,462 kg, with an offtake rate of 98.7%. Looks like our small green pods are flying off the shelves faster than we can say, cardamom craze. Now, let's zoom into the nitty-gritty. Reports are pouring in, detailing grade-specific rates. For the 7mm grades, prices are shimmying between 1,560 rupees and 1,650 rupees per kilogram. Move up to the 7 to 8mm range, and you're looking at 1,700 rupees to 1,740 rupees per kilogram. And for those luscious 8mm and higher grades? Hold on to your hats, folks, because we are talking 2,000 rupees to 2,140 rupees per kilogram. It's a feast for the senses and the pocketbook. For advance reports, contact us for our paid services. Our contact details are given in the description as well as in description. And there you have it, Astro friends. The cosmic symphony of small cardamom continues to dazzle and delight. Stay tuned to Ajayastromani Guru for all the latest updates and advanced analysis on your favorite commodities. Until next time, may your trades be prosperous and your spice racks full. This is Nina signing off. Keep shining bright.